Hey peeps, Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we are on question 5.3, which is taken from the 2017 Maths Lit IEB Paper 1, and this question deals with loan repayments and calculating time. So they say here, a website provides the following information as an illustrative example. So it says, an example of a loan at an interest rate of 28% per annum would look like this. Loan amount 50,000 Rand plus a once-off initiation fee of 1,197 Rand and a monthly admin fee of 68 Rand and 40 cents over a 72-month period. So to give you more context to this question, the previous one, which we calculated in another video, is they've given us this loan calculator for a 50,000 Rand loan, and they stated that there's an interest rate of 28 and this monthly fee. But the important part is that we had calculated that a loan repayment would be this 32,652 Rand and 80 cents. So we calculated this by taking the monthly loan repayment and multiplying it by the 72 months of the year. So in the next question, they said determine the total value of the loan, including this once-off initiation fee. It means that we have to take the total that we calculated in the previous question and add the initiation fee. So that's going to be, so for 5.3.1, that's going to be 132,652 Rand and 80 cents, and we just need to add that initiation fee of 1,197 Rand and 0 cents, and in your calculators this comes to a grand total of 133,849 Rand and 80 cents. And so yeah, just as a recap, so we did the calculations already. So they did tell us that the repayments amount was going to be this amount. So we take this amount multiplied by the 72 months, because it's over a 6-year period, and we need to add the service fee, and also we need to add the initiation fee. So that's just for 2 marks. And that concludes that question. Moving on to question 5.3.2. There's a client applied for a loan at 3:38 or 15:38. That's the time given there. If the client got a response at 10:55 the next day, calculate how long it took for the client to get a response from the time he replied. So for 5.3.2, first need to go from 3:38 in the afternoon to midnight, so we can break it up into the 2 sections. So first we get from midnight to midnight, and then we can work out how long it took from midnight to 10:55. So from 3:38 to midnight, so we know this is going to be, so to get from 3:38 to the next closest hour, which is 4, we need to add 22 minutes. And then from 4 o'clock to midnight, so it'll be from the 16th hour to the 24th hour, we need to add 8 hours. So therefore, to get from 3:38 to midnight, we need to add 8 hours and 22 minutes. Then we can go from midnight, which is 24 o'clock, but that's also 000. We need to get to the time that the time we received the response, which they say is 10:55. So to get from the midnight to 10:55 in the morning, we need to add 10 hours and 55 minutes, and then the total time is going to be this 8 hours and 22 minutes plus the 10 hours and 55 minutes. So first off, if we add the 22 minutes to the 55, so therefore 22 minutes plus 55 minutes is going to equal 1 hour and 17 minutes. And then we need to add our hours together, so it's going to be 8 hours plus 10 hours, which comes to 18 hours. And then to get the total, we need to add these two together. So therefore, our total time is going to equal 1 hour 17 minutes plus 18 hours, which is 19 hours and 17 minutes. And that concludes that question. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making these videos possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until then, stay epic.